Welcome to this episode of Tech Talk Today, where we explore the latest trends and innovations in the tech world. I'm your host, and today we'll dive into the powerful ecosystem of GitHub. If you've ever wondered about the tools that can revolutionize your development process, this episode is for you. So let's kick things off. GitHub has become a household name in the world of software development, but what exactly makes it so vital? Well, think of it as the Swiss Army knife for developers. You have everything packed into one platform, from collaborative coding to project managing tools. And it's not just about code, it's a community that drives innovation. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features. Have you ever faced the dread of bugs lurking in your code? GitHub's security capabilities are a game changer. It helps you find and fix vulnerabilities before they become serious problems. It's like having a built-in safety net while navigating the coding jungle. And, automating workflows can save a ton of time. The Actions feature on GitHub allows you to automate repetitive tasks. It's like having a little robot that takes care of the mundane stuff, so you can focus on being creative. Imagine the power of not having to manually deploy every tiny change. It's a big deal, right? But let's not forget about collaboration. With GitHub discussions, developers can connect and share ideas outside the code. It fosters a sense of community. I mean, who's not up for a good chat about the latest tech trends or debugging tips over a virtual coffee? Now, to make this conversation more rounded, I'd love to pose a question. How do you see collaboration evolving in the tech community? I think the shift towards more open dialogues could be revolutionary. It breaks down barriers and promotes a culture of knowledge sharing. And what about GitHub sponsors? This initiative is all about supporting open-source developers. It's crucial, friends. By funding those who contribute to open-source projects, we're essentially nurturing the very foundation of innovation. It's like planting seeds for future technologies. As we wrap up this discussion, let's reflect on the range and depth of tools GitHub offers. Whether it's finding more efficient ways to code, tracking project goals, or collaborating with others, it's an essential resource for anyone in tech. All right, before we sign off, think about how these tools can transform your work or a project you're passionate about. As always, keep curious, keep coding, and join us next time for more exciting discussions from the tech frontier. Thanks for tuning in.